Welcome to the welding experience. Press the question mark on any stand to learn how to use it. Here you will find 6 different types of joints: butt joint, T-joint, corner joint, edge joint, lap joint, and cylindrical joint. You will learn how to weld each joint correctly and the ideal welding angle for each one. This stand is important for developing your skill in precision and speed. This is the computer for the experiments. Here you can review all your experiments, complete statistics, and evaluate your welding performance. All data is saved according to the day and date. Now choose the orientation of the joint you want to weld. Then select whether you are a beginner or advanced, and after that, press Start. Select the table height that feels comfortable for you, then press Finish. Follow the next steps carefully to achieve the best welding result. Welcome to the welding experience. Press the question mark on any stand to learn how to use it. This is the evaluation screen where you can see your final result. If you want to review your performance in Welcome to the welding experience. Press the question mark on any stand to learn how to use it.